Hello and welcome to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Michael Kors watch. Okay. I purchased this watch repair kit or watch battery toolkit from Amazon, and it cost £16. And inside you'll find some very useful tools. The one I'm going to use today is this one here. As you can see, there's three heads here, and I've slotted in one of these into each one. Okay. And they're adjustable, so you can adjust by using this. You can turn this one, and it will move this up and down. You can turn this, and it will move these side to side. Okay, but the idea is that if you can see these little grooves. Now watch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you want to do is get these into the grooves and then turn it anti-clockwise to open it. Okay? So let's have a go. Now you want to be careful that you get this right, otherwise you can scratch the back of your watch. Okay, I believe it's calibrated properly now. Let's try and get this out so you get them in one by one. Like so. It's a little bit fiddly to get it in, but once it's in, it should work. Right, here we go, I think it's in. Okay, so turn it. There we go. So once you've loosened it initially, you can then just turn it by hand. So as I say, anti-clockwise, like so, until it just unscrews. A little bit more. Okay, there we go. And you can take that off. And as you can see, this is the inside of the watch. Now this little rubber bits here is sort of, the black rubber bits sort of come out of place, unfortunately. So I'm going to try and get that back in place. But I think that's a seal to keep it waterproof. So be careful when you're doing this because you don't want to damage it. Now you see this white plastic here. The next part is we need to take this off. And we're going to use one of these small Phillips head screwdrivers. Let's try this one from the kit. And we're just going to go underneath to edge it out. Okay, so once you've loosened it, it should come out fairly easily, like so, and then you can see the battery. So then you need to get this battery out. Now it's important to check what type of battery it is, and you can see that this is a Sony battery, and it is an SR621SW battery, and it's important you get the right size. So I say it again, SR621SW. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is get the old battery out. And again, it's quite a delicate process. There we go. So once you get your tool in, it should come out fairly easily. Then, time to put in the new battery. Now I bought this again from Amazon, and it was $3.99. And for $3.99 you actually get 10 of these, so this will last me quite a number of years. So once you've taken out the new battery from the pack, you can then put it in place. And you may need the tool. Let's have a look. Yeah, make sure it's got the writing facing up. Okay, so I think we need to be careful with this. Let's have a look. Yeah, I think that's the right sort of angle to get it in. And then we push down. There we go. There we go. So now it's in. Again, I've got a bit of a problem here because I've got this black rubber thing. As you can see, the watch has started to tick. So we've successfully put the battery in. Now we need to put the white plastic thing back in place, and this thing is annoying me, so I'm going to take it out for now. This black thing. Yeah, so remember, you see these parts, these parts go where the buttons are. Okay, then you should just be able to push that back in. Make sure it's in on both sides. There we go. And then I'm going to try and get this seal back in place, but it's very tricky to do so. Okay, and then we put this back on. Okay, and then we turn it clockwise this time to tighten it, like so. I would say do it by hand initially, and then you can tighten it up with the tool if needed. Get the tool back. There we go. This time we're going to go clockwise. Okay. There we go, half a turn should be enough, and there we go. The watch is now ticking, as you can see, and you can reset the time and you're ready to go. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.